Overdose of sauce. No meat, just sauce. Know what I mean?
Oh. So, got the 15. Dirty ass fucking lens. 15 Mustang. Loading the Lund file and the MPV 2. It's crazy. I was like, oh, you know, like whenever I wonder how they keep people from seeing what's in the file. It's because they use their own RTD flasher software. So it's not the normal HP Tuner software. You can't even read it. It doesn't show it in HP Tuners to prevent other people from being able to see. This thing is so dusty. Holy shit. I think he's losing the sand. Oh, that one's got the Crank Snapper 10,000 on it. It's got the fucking attaboy, which isn't good for the end of the crank, supposedly. With the procharged, I think that's what a lot of guys go for Vortex. So it runs off the factory harmonic balancer. So you don't have that issue. we're putting H&R springs on today. So let's go write our to-do list on this thing so I don't forget something. This will be for tomorrow technically. Doing the fronts. Working on the front springs. You gotta take a 24 and then an external hex, very small. And this is a 15. You use a 10 to hold that. And now brake caliper bolts are 15. About to bust those loose. Take the caliper up out the way, hang it up with the zip tie, and then probably put a lug nut on this rotor to keep it from falling off, or I'll just pop it off. It's loose with the breaker bar. Oop, hold still. What's the matter, Miles? Almost. I need to push down and in. And it should be enough. I'm gonna try and spin it a little bit just to get that a little more lined up there. Got it tapped and fixed. That's the other bolt that I'd put in there. Got it still new one in that door. Drilled it out. Tapped it again. Oil separator co. Alright. Stick this on. smooth, but it's always made some noise. So I don't know what he says it doesn't shift at watt, but I didn't have problems shifting there unless he's trying to really bang gears hard. But this transmission just doesn't feel, I don't know, it just doesn't feel that smooth compared to like the Camaro or something. It just feels real rough and notchy, and like it doesn't want to go in smooth. Plus, this is cable